Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the SOM Classroom app and signing in with your school email. If asked, complete two-factor authentication. Once done, make sure to select your role, teacher or student, because permissions differ. Then set your profile name and enter the class code from your instructor. Also enable notifications, camera and microphone permissions immediately so live sessions work. This first setup avoids interruptions later and gets you into the right class environment fast. Once you're in, join classes via the class code or the calendar link. Test your audio and video 1 minute early to avoid delays. You'll upload assignments by dragging files or connecting cloud storage, then set due dates and who can view them. Make sure to organize materials into folders and tag items by class, week, and priority so you can find them quickly. Doing this reduces confusion and helps students submit work on time. You finish by grading with the built-in rubric and leaving timestamped comments. Attach annotated files when you need to show corrections. After grading, publish grades and feedback and notify students. Lock submissions if late work is not accepted. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and restart the app, then check your network connection. If errors persist, capture the error code and contact IT. This sequence wraps up the workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.